Hi, I'm Julie Brooks, owner of Peaceful Place Home Organizers based on beautiful Cape Cod, the South Shore, and the South Coast of Massachusetts. I am a certified professional organizer, and I wanted to just explain what that means. A lot of people haven't heard of it before. So, the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals, also known as NAPO, has, I think, about 3,000 members. And they have come up with this credential to certify their members. Not every member. In fact, most members are not CPOs, but I'm a CPO. And so what that means is I had to prove and document that I have worked 1,500 hours directly with clients doing organizing. I also had to sit for an audited exam, and a lot of the questions had to do with things like project management. It was pretty hard. I didn't really think I passed it when I first took it, but anyway, I passed it. So that's what the CPO credential designates. There's actually only about 390 or so, maybe that we're up to 400 by now, CPOs in the world. And it's a credential that's held by fewer than 10% of people who say that they are professional organizers. So all that means is I've had a lot of experience working directly with clients, and I hope that can give you more confidence in deciding to pursue your journey to getting organized with a professional. Thank you.